more of my Ramadan vlog series that I'm doing this Ramadan. Those birds are not shut. Shut. Shh. Shh. Anyways, right now, well, it's Monday, beginning of the week. Shh. Shh. Anyways, don't know if the birds are making noise or not, but right now I am making some Kraft mac and cheese, because you know those are the best mac and cheese ever. So yeah. And Ramadan basically ends, okay, like the 15th or 16th, I don't know. That's basically it. But anyways, hey guys, welcome to my video, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Check out my other videos. Bippity boppity boo. I'm really fun. Says no one. Like, a fun person does not. Okay. Anyways, I make videos every week. Actually, that's a lie. It's a really big. Let me just not lie in Ramadan. Cut out. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already. And hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Yeah, I look like a hit mess. Like, I look like a bus ran over me. I look like Regina George. Wait, Regina. Hardly sounds like George, is it? I freaking don't know. This thing is like on some other kind of mood because it's curly and it pisses me the frick off. Okay, yeah, that's what's up. I'll see you guys in the other. Oh, my food is done. Okay, but it doesn't, so shut up. Anyways, here's my mac and cheese. It's really hot and juicy. And now I'm gonna eat it. Hey guys, so it's Monday night right now. I'm just gonna end this little Monday night right now. Basically, I'm just editing my last week's night. See you guys tomorrow with a new day. Yeah. Okay, I need to stop with these hand movements. Bye. Hey guys, so welcome to Tuesday vlog. Basically, I was filming a video in this little studio I have in my brother's room. Like I got lights on both sides. My camera was over there. I was doing my makeup for a video that I had to post in like July. So yeah, you know, because we're ahead of the game. We're just really doing this YouTube stuff. But right now I need to edit a bunch of stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Oh yeah, tonight we are going to my friend's house for, oh my god, the Wi-Fi's not even working with this. Going to my friend's house, Isha, which you saw in the last video if you watched it, and if you're a real freaking subscriber. Oh, now it wants to connect to this thing, but doesn't want to connect to. Okay. Anyways, what was I saying? I was saying some stupid stuff. Basically, we're going to her house, and yeah, today for like HEYYY or like Suhoor. I don't know why I quoted that. I'm for real right now. Anyways, I'll see you guys when something cool happens, like I always say. But I don't know if when I come back anything cool really happens. Peace out.
It's me and Maha. And Himba, and we're the only ones here.
Yeah, we're sad.
I know. This isn't really interesting. There is nothing to vlog except all these people just trying to leave.
Yeah, there's so many people here now.
Look at that. Like, what is going on?
It's like 4 in the freaking morning and there's birds. I'm actually so confused right now. It's.
What do you want us to change at 3 in the morning?
What the world?
It sounds like we're in some garden. Like, close your
Okay,
eyes.
nobody freaking cares
Close
right
your
now.
eyes and meditate.
Go, shut up.
Meditate. Meditation. I don't think your mom probably comes out here and meditates.
I'm sorry.
She needs to get away from all
It's
the
actually cold.
bullying at school.
Oh my God. It's actually cold.
I don't know.
Okay, because we don't want to look like sluts. Bosses, do not do it that way again. I'm serious.
Yeah, Sarah, go.
Hey guys, good morning.
Look
It's
like a
currently,
slave.
what time is it?
What time is it?
4 in the morning.
4 in the morning. We're at my house again because it's a hashtag party.
It's not you or me.
How come Hibba looks more awake than you?
She's been awake the whole time. I slept. I was watching her. Leave me alone.
They're really aliens. Look at Hibba. She has like style. I mean, first of all,
Why are y'all wearing suits?
Okay, first of all, this is a very
Skechers socks. Why are
some air
y'all?
muscles.
It's cotton. It's very comfortable. So
Because I look good in anything, unlike you.
get out.
Now I feel overdressed at my own house.
Yes, you really do. It's 4 in the morning. I don't know why
are y'all dressed
Ready? Let's go change. 1, 2, 3. This is the everyday life. The everyday life of a YouTuber. Behind the scenes of all that junk. Okay, but like honestly, like this. She's not. My mom. I'm so dumb.
Mom says bring it to Patta. We're doing Fajr Namaz.
And that hair tie is too big.
You like me recording?
My hair's stuck.
$20, sorry, give me some, girl. $40. It's double, I think. Let me hear it out. What the heck is on it?
No, it's stuck.
Hey, Mom. Hey, I'm not in the shot. How is this supposed to get views? With me. Listen, Hibba.
Yes.
Let me show you how it's done.
Shut up. Nobody's in it then. There, TK.
Good?
Ah.
Why aren't you going pasta, bro?
Yo, why do you open your mouth that big?
Because it's not so big.
It really is. But it's good.
My hair is falling off. Huh?
On my clip.
Oh.
Why are you opening your mouth so big?
Yeah.
Because I'm doing how she did it.
What?
I think she would be like, I don't know. You know what? It's. That's what you sound like.
और लो तारी नहीं टीमा भी खाओ और वो समैया भी खाओ चलो और ये पापे के एक रस कोई देख लो किसको क्या खाना है
Sarah wants to try.
When does it end today?
4:30.
Shut up. Wait, we're gonna be here for an hour?
Last time I checked your house, give this. Shut up! If you guys give this video a thumbs up, I'll give her security number. I'll give you the key to her house.
Be like, I'll give your social security.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say, but I'm
Security number? Like my credit card security number? My what?
I have her number saved in my phone, so all you guys out there looking for her.
770 और सारा चाय चाहिए
जी
जाओ किचन में रखिए चीनी डाल के ले लो बेटा दोनों
Okay. Hey guys, didn't see you there. Oh. I feel like people aren't gonna understand what we're laughing at.
That's true, honestly.
They're gonna be like,
Yeah, but glasses. Hey guys, this is my OOTD. This is my mom's
for the
scarf.
first time you're actually talking normal stuff. Hey guys, so I'll eat right now and let's go.
Shut up. These are my friend's pants. Friend, if you're watching this is yours. Maha's. I slept over at her house and then I like needed pants because I wasn't really sleeping up. I wasn't planning on it.
We're doing Suhoor right now. It's when you eat in the morning. Because you wanted to do all.
Yeah, you know what? We got the gist. We got the gist from week 1. We're on week 4 now.
What are you doing? You're freaking auntie. Auntie.
Why did you move the camera?
Okay, so I'm gonna close the door right now. Shh! Ifra's sleeping. Freaking babysitter's sleeping. Shh! She's sleeping. Ifra's sleeping. You're freaking screaming. You're screaming. Shh! My freaking baby sister is sleeping in that room right there, and they're screaming so loud. Like you guys can probably hear them so loud. Did my dad leave? Where did my dad go?
I'm sorry, you're so freaking ugly.
आराम से बहन को devil बुलाती है इधर आ Stop shimming.
Iman to show us we're all together.
so cringe.
Okay, it doesn't fine.
We're all
I'm
one
cringe on the internet.
I know
Literally.
you are, but like,
Okay, so it's fine.
Literally.
I've never seen anybody see me like this.
Okay.
ठीक है नमाज का पढ़ना है
Oh, namaz. Acha, acha, aata.
चलो let's be holy
Oh my god. That's my line, holy bache. Okay. Can I turn the fan on?
holy बच्चे
Real YouTuber.
ये क्या बकवास?
I don't think you're artsy.
Jangan कुछ बफात कौन बोलता है? It tells you where the.
I need to see
Pray.
this girl has a whole freaking compass on her freaking
It tells you. Listen. Look at me. It tells you which way you're supposed to pray. It used to work.
What if you go down and hit your head?
yeah exactly
It doesn't hit your head. Your freaking head goes right here. Who the heck's head go
okay
right
I've
there?
never seen this invention before
You know what? It's an antique.
Hey sisters, welcome back to Sarah's channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're a healthy sister.
James, she's coming for you, honey.
we came at night now literally it's freaking day
Moon. I'm not even tired anymore. I don't even know if I can sleep.
Yeah, I don't want to make my tie-dye shirts.
But it's so cold and beautiful outside. Oh my god.
Over there.
anyways I forgot I'd vlog okay but I forgot I was doing vlogs you know but anyway today was a really boring day ugh so boring anyways nothing really happened it's literally 11:30 and I didn't go anywhere and yeah hey guys so it is what's today? Thursday. Basically, welcome to Thursday. Yeah. Anyways, I forgot to vlog the whole day today. It's like 5:15 now, so my bad. But anyways, I've been filming. You know what? I'm pre-filming videos. That's what I'm doing today. So yeah, my hands are like tie-dyed. That makes sense because I was tie-dyeing a shirt. It's right there. And it looks really good, so I'm really proud of it. It's really hot outside and I haven't even been outside. Oh, I'm really gonna die. What's the temperature today? That's what's up, and we're going to the masjid for iftar. So I'll probably vlog that, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. And yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Oh my freaking god. What are these children doing?
Say hi. Look.
He's not amused.
Heba, stop taking him away from me.
Let's go.
Stop.
Take him away.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi. Why are you recording?
Because it's for my Ramadan vlog. I just remembered. You want to say hi?
This one's mine.
Oh, show the camera.
Yeah.
It's her doll. Oh, is that baby alive? Oh my god. Now say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey guys. So it is Friday. This is a weird angle. Anyways, it's Friday. I'm right now going to the mall because we're going to India and I have no like good clothes. And also I'm just doing some shopping too. So we're going to the mall. Or tonight I'm going to this other masjid where they're doing like a thing where you stay overnight and it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm real excited for that. Spend so much money and my mom's gonna kill me like I spend so much. Hey guys, so I have my little outfit I bought today. Let me show you. Let me flip the, yeah. Okay, so here's this little top that I got from Forever 21. And then these like boyfriend jeans. And I really like them. They were $10 freaking. What? It's like the original price was like 55 something. But I got these for $10 and I'm loving it. Yeah. Also, let me show you what else I got. From Sephora. I got this contour kit from Sephora. I was gonna get the Hoola bronzer because I really wanted that, but they were sold out. So I got this, And yeah, it's really cool, I guess. Bath and Body Works, I got these 2 perfumes. They were literally like $3. And they're so good. Leggings, because my sister always steals my leggings and I'm done with it. So I got leggings. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hey guys, so we got pinkity drinkities. Say, wait, don't forget my sisters. Yes. Hi sisters.
And then here's another pinkity drinkity. And then here's not a pinkity drinkity.
Excuse you?
Because you called this girl a fake.
They said, shut up. Your pink drink, okay?
Okay, it's called a pinkity.
Drinkity.
Hey guys,
We're at an iftar kind of thing. Well, actually, Qiyam, but yeah. Yeah, I'm really excited to like munch on these and all that. Oh, by the way, I'm like one of Sarah's super like best friends and stuff. Okay, this is like super weird.
Yeah, it is. I think people are looking.
Okay. Yeah, do you guys want to see what we're eating? Wait, can we flip this?
No, you have to pause and turn it around.
Oh, dang.
They look, you know me though, because like maybe we're on each other's Instagram.
hey guys, I just woke up. It is Saturday. Actually no, it's 5 o'clock. Oh my god. And I woke up an hour ago and my life's a mess. But I'm editing a video right now, which is gonna go out a week after y'all see this video. So yeah, you know, I'm on this YouTube grind. It's been great. I was on Twitter and I saw that someone in Saudi Arabia, or like Mecca, which is like the major city for like Muslims and everything, it's like where the holiest place is for us, and it's like the Kaaba. I'll put a picture right here if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. But somebody committed suicide there and I was like, wow, that is crazy. Hey guys, so it's later now. An abduction. You ready? Is it gonna? And then it comes out too. You can't see that one, but okay. They're boring. Wow, look at the sun. Dang, bro. Anyways, yeah. Peace out. See you at iftar. Guys, fast forward to iftar. We went to Dunkin' and got this. Oh, look at that.
Cosmic Colada.
Nice. And then I got an iced coffee. Please.
Why did you get a large? It's so big.
That's not big at all.
Are you freaking crazy?
I always drink this kind of large coffee. Oh my god, look at that.
It's a medium. You should have just gotten the large.
Why are you opening my straw?
Because I want some.
No, you literally have your own stupid thing. Be grateful. Okay, why is your car a mess? Hey guys, I look like a bobblehead. But it's fine. It's fine, yeah. Oh, I just woke up. It's 3:30. My sleep schedule is like really bad. This is the last day of this week. That's kind of crazy. And then the next vlog you'll see will be the last Ramadan week. That's even crazy because Ramadan is basically over. And Eid is in like 5 days. So everything's going by so fast. One, two, three, four. Peace out. See you probably when something cool happens. Why did they close it?
घर जाके सोती हो या नहीं?
Hey guys, so this is basically the end of this vlog. This is the end of week 4, I believe so. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already to be a part of the Sarah squad. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
To love